Hello, I'm Brian, Director of Product Development here at DEWALT. In this video, we will review the 20V MAX GRABO LIFTER, a powerful tool that helps you grab, lift, and install various construction materials on the job site. By utilizing a vacuum pump, this lifter grabs hold of both smooth and textured surfaces. It can even be used on semi-porous materials like wood or drywall, and has a lift load capacity of up to 265 pounds max for horizontal lifting and up to 132 pounds max for vertical lifting. To begin, insert a fully charged DEWALT 20V MAX battery and slide the power switch to the right until you notice the screen light up and the unit turn on. Once the unit is powered on, remove the seal guard and place the vacuum pad on the material surface, making sure there are no visible holes or cracks that could interfere with the vacuum's grip. Press the green button once to initiate the vacuum pump. You will see the building pressure indicated by the rising numbers and green LED icons on screen until maximum pressure of -12 psi is reached. Please note that in elevations over 4,000 feet above sea level or on semi-porous materials, max pressure may not be achieved and pump will continue to run. The seal will engage shortly after the pressure starts to build. Once vacuum is achieved, just grab the handle and lift. To conserve power when working with non-porous materials, the pump may stop operation when levels over -11.7 psi is reached. A built-in pressure sensor monitors vacuum pressure and re-engages the pump if there is a decrease under -10.4 psi. This feature helps maintain vacuum pressure on suitable materials. To switch between psi or bar values, press the button above the screen. When releasing the material, place it where desired and repress the green button to disable the pump. Notice the green LED indicators will turn red. When this occurs, utilize the 2-action release by sliding the red button's lever to the in position and pressing down to release the vacuum grip. This tool features both visual and audio alarms to help users maintain proper control while in use. If the power button is inadvertently switched off during operation, flashing indicator lights and loud beeps will alert you to re-engage the switch back to the on position to release the material. Take advantage of the at-a-glance battery status indicator displayed on the LED screen. This feature will alert you to critically low power levels that require you to recharge the battery before continued use. To promote proper performance, it's always important to take care of your tools. Remember to remove the battery after use and make sure to store this product on a smooth surface that's clean and dry with the seal guard in place. For user convenience, the foam rubber vacuum seal can be removed, washed, cleaned, or easily replaced by pulling it out of its frame. In case of a clogged or damaged dust filter, pull out the black rubber rings and replace the dust filter using the spares included with your tool. For more information, refer to the product manual or visit DEWALT.com.